Hey, beautiful babes. Welcome back to Facial February, day 11.
Yeah. Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time? You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never.
Now, let me ask you something. Have you noticed in the winter your skin doesn't just feel dry, it feels tight, dull, and almost thirsty no matter how much cream you put on it? That's because cold air and indoor heat pull moisture straight out of mature skin. So today, we're not just moisturizing, we're feeding the skin. Today's facial is a coconut and milk honey glow facial. And let me tell you, this one feels like silk on the face. This one is one of my favorite comfort facials because coconut milk is full of natural fatty acids that cushion the skin, while honey pulls moisture into the skin and helps hold it there. So instead of sitting on top, your hydration actually stays. What you'll need is 1 tablespoon of coconut milk and 1 teaspoon raw honey. Mix until it becomes a creamy lotion-like texture. Now, I didn't have coconut milk, but I have the coconut powder, so I had to add a little water to mine in order to create this amazing mass, but it still works the same. So I started with clean skin and I used a brush to gently smooth the mask over your face and neck. Now avoid the eyes, but go around the mouth. That's where winter dryness shows first. Now here's the important part. Don't talk, don't check your phone, don't cook. This is your 15-minute skin therapy moment. Leave on for 15 minutes. You'll actually feel your skin relaxing as the dryness softens. After 15 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water will undo the hydration we just added. Now pat dry and don't rub. Immediately apply your moisturizer or facial oil to seal everything in. Of course, I'm using my Winter Skin Defense facial oil. Y'all know I love it, and you will too. Check it out in the description box. Now, what you'll notice about your skin will feel soft, plump, comforted, and you'll notice a natural glow, not oily, just healthy. This is especially beautiful for women over 50 and 60 because mature skin needs lipids, not just water. Now you can use this 2 to 3 times per week during winter or anytime your skin feels tight, flaky, or makeup won't sit right. In case you wanted to know, I'm going to share it with you, the amazing benefits of these ingredients. The coconut milk is rich in fatty acids that replenish skin lipids, helps repair winter moisture barrier, softens rough texture, improves dull, tired looking skin, gentle for sensitive and mature skin. And the honey is a natural humectant that pulls moisture into the skin, helps the skin hold hydration longer, soothes irritation and redness, leaves a smooth glow, and supports the skin barrier protection.
I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back crazy.